Harvard wins round 1. Judge blocks Trump's foreign student ban in explosive legal showdown. Cambridge, MA. In a stunning legal victory, Harvard University has secured a temporary restraining order, halting the Trump administration's attempt to strip the Ivy League institution of its ability to enroll international students. The ruling, delivered by U.S. District Judge Allison Burroughs, marks a significant escalation in the ongoing battle between the White House and one of America's most prestigious academic centers. The judge's decision, issued on Friday, effectively pauses the Department of Homeland Security's DHS move to revoke Harvard's access to the Student and Exchange Visitor Program (SEVP), a critical government database that manages foreign student visas. This temporary reprieve comes on the heels of Harvard's lawsuit, which vehemently denounced the administration's actions as a blatant violation of the law and free speech rights. Harvard's stroke of a pen allegation, a quarter of student body at stake. Harvard's lawsuit painted a stark picture of the potential impact, arguing that the administration, with the stroke of a pen, sought to erase a quarter of its student body. The approximately 6,800 international students who comprise over 27% of this year's enrollments. The university emphasized the vital contributions of these students to its academic and research mission, warning of the devastating consequences of their exclusion. "We condemn this unlawful and unwarranted action," declared Harvard President Alan Garber in a strongly worded letter. He accused the administration of engaging in retaliatory measures aimed at forcing the university to surrender our academic independence and submit to federal control over its curriculum, faculty, and student body. White House fires back, pro-terrorist agitators, and frivolous lawsuits. The White House, however, remained defiant. Deputy Press Secretary Abigail Jackson retorted, "If only Harvard cared this much about ending the scourge of anti-American, anti-Semitic, pro-terrorist agitators on their campus, they wouldn't be in this situation to begin with." She accused Harvard of prioritizing frivolous lawsuits over creating a safe campus environment. The administration's stance underscores its broader campaign against Harvard and other elite universities, accusing them of failing to adequately address anti-Semitism and harbor pro-Palestinian activists, while also claiming they discriminate against conservative viewpoints. These allegations have fueled a series of investigations and confrontations, including the freezing of $2.2 billion in federal funding and threats to revoke Harvard's tax-exempt status. International students in limbo, fears of forced deportation. The legal battle has cast a shadow of uncertainty over thousands of international students at Harvard, who now face the prospect of being forced to return home. Chinese student Kotzi, currently in her second year of a STEM program, expressed her shock and anxiety, highlighting the suddenness of the DHS announcement. The financial implications are also significant. Harvard heavily relies on tuition revenue from international students, many of whom pay full tuition without access to domestic financial aid. For instance, a year at Harvard Law School can cost upwards of $120,000, including living expenses, high-profile legal team, and a fight for academic independence. Harvard has assembled a formidable legal team, including prominent Republican lawyers such as an advisor to the Trump Organization and former special counsel Robert Hur, signaling its determination to fight the administration's actions. While the university has made some concessions, such as dismissing leaders of its Center for Middle Eastern Studies, this lawsuit demonstrates its resolve to defend its academic independence. The outcome of this legal battle will have far-reaching consequences for the future of international student enrollment in the United States and the relationship between academic institutions and the federal government. As the case unfolds, the world will be watching to see whether Harvard's legal challenge can permanently overturn the Trump administration's ban, or if this is simply a temporary stay of execution.